Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And I am the Mini Kit Monday host for the month of August of 2022. And my challenge to my Mini Kit Monday ladies and our Facebook friends is to use one sketch 4 ways and you design your own kit. And this is a sketch that I chose for us to use to create all 4 of our layouts for the month of August of 2022. I do not know who the creator of this sketch is. If anyone does out there, please leave a comment below because we want to give credit where it's due. All I can tell you, as many years ago, because I've been scrapbooking for a long time, I saved this on my computer under sketches. And there is no name, and I did try to search for this over at Pinterest because I thought it was maybe Laura Whitaker or possibly Sketchables, and I could not locate it. And it still could be one of those, or it could be absolutely someone else. And the way that you could do that is you could use it just as is, or you could use the papers as just as is, but change the size of your photographs or how many photographs you would like to document. You have 2 journaling tags. You could place them just like that, or you could place them straight. You could use maybe 3 journaling tags. Instead of this circle pattern paper, you could use a star, a heart, a hexagon, a butterfly, anything your heart desires. You could remove it. You could use a large title, a smaller title, subtitles. We have a scallop border here, same thing. You could make this scallop border like hearts, stars. You could substitute it for washi tape, ribbon. You could add buttons. There's so many possibilities. We have cluster here up by the title, one down here in the lower right hand corner, and over here to the left of this photograph. You can flip just that, keep the sketch as it is, but just flip how the embellishment clusters appear. All right, so just have fun and think outside of the box. That's what this challenge is all about. We have a Facebook group site, which I'll have the link listed below. We have an album over there titled August 2022, and we want you to upload a snapshot of your kit and at least 1 layout. And if you do both of those, you will automatically be entered in to possibly win a curated kit from me or a gift certificate if you are outside of the US. Now let me show you my kit. This month, I am just going to work through 1 collection, 1 designer. Now let me show you. It is the color study. And I will not kill this kit here, but I'm hoping that I get rid of at least 50% of what I have here, because I am ready to work with the Vicky Bouton Fern Wood collection. So we have some die cut pieces, some very large ones left here. Lots of choices. And you'll see I'll have some scrap papers too, because I've used this collection throughout the year. So I have this scrap paper. I have some chipboard pieces here. I have not used very many of the alpha phrases here and some icons. And then I have some stickers. And then the rest is going to be papers. And I'm just not going to show you all of it, but here's some scraps right here. I'm sure all of you know about the Vicky Bouton color study, and maybe you don't. Maybe it's not your thing, but I will show you some of the loose paper here real quick. The flowers, this side. the butterflies, purple paper, so that's purple and the butterflies. So that's it on my loose paper, and then from my paper pack, we'll just go like this. So there's a lot still in here. Oh, and some more loose paper, see? Oh, and I've got some stars here as well, and some more cut aparts right there. So that's my papers and my embellishments, my word phrases. I fibbed. I told you I was only going to work from the Becky color study collection, but I forgot I pre-chose some of my photographs, and I want to use possibly a couple of these farm type puffy stickers from Simple Stories, because I have this memory of my little guy last summer working on our friend's cattle farm. And this was his first day, and I snapped a photograph when I picked him up. He was beat tired, and he's a little bit dirty, but boy, as the days and weeks went on, he even got dirtier. So I want to document that memory, and I'm hoping somehow I can incorporate one of those stickers. Really want to incorporate this one because they do have pigs and chickens, no sheep though. All right. So I fibbed. That's the additional items. And then, as you know, with our sketch, let me find where I put the sketch. Okay, right here. With this sketch, remember I was telling you that you can change it up some and on your photographs. So this original sketch here shows using 5 photographs, 2 at 4x6, and then 2.5 by 2.5, 3. I'm going to show you where I use this sketch with 1 photograph, 2 photographs, 3 photographs, and 4. I don't think I picked 5. So we have 1 photograph, then we have 2 here, and I'm not telling you the story behind the photographs. I will when I create the layouts. I have 3 here. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, take that back. I have 6 from 4th of July of 2021. So these are all last year's pictures. I scrapbook a year behind if you're new to my channel. Then for some finishing touches, I love to add splatters using various inks and sprays I have, or watercolors, and I decided I was really just going to focus on using a lot of the Dilution shimmer sprays here, and then I put 1 here from Heidi Swapp Color Shine Sweet Cherry because of one of my photographs. So I pulled those out. And then for some other dimension and whatnots, I have flare buttons. I have acrylic pieces in white and black, and you can color the white. And then I have wood veneer right here. And then I have some miscellaneous leftovers from previous layouts. And then I have some few tools that I use all the time right here that I grab. All right, that is my kit for August of 2022. Please be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. It is listed below in the description box. Keep coming back. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification button or bell or whatever you want to call it. It's a bell, so that you are notified every time that I am uploading scrapbooking videos to keep you inspired to scrapbook those memories in a fun, creative way, because I don't only post for Mini Kit Mondays, but other collaborations, and then I post just for the fun of it. All right, we'll see you next time. We hope to see you over at our Facebook group site too as well. And we will see you next time. Bye.